Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Pira Yuniar. Thank you for the opportunity given to me to present my research proposal. The title of my research is The Correlation Among Students' Reading Interest, Reading Motivation and Reading Comprehension Achievement of a Grade Student in Junior High School in Palembang. In this presentation, I will explain the background, research question, objective, methodology, instrument and data analysis procedure of this study. Reading is the one of essential skill in language learning because it enables students to gain knowledge and understand information from written text. However, many FL students still experience difficulties in reading comprehension due to unfamiliar vocabulary, grammar structure, and low engagement in reading activities. These problems are influenced not only by cognitive factors but also affective factors such as reading interest and reading motivation. Previous studies found that reading interest and reading motivation significantly influence students' reading comprehension achievement. However, some studies reported inconsistent findings regarding the relationship between reading interest and reading comprehension. In addition, most previous studies investigate these variables separately rather than simultaneously. Therefore, the study attempts to fill these gaps. Based on the background and research gaps, there are two research questions in this study. The first question investigates whether there is a significant correlation between reading interest and reading comprehension achievement. The second question investigates to extent to which reading interest and reading motivation contribute to students' reading comprehension achievement. The objective of this study are aligned with the research question. The first objective is to determine whether there is a significant correlation between reading interest and reading comprehension achievement. The second objective is to determine the extent to which reading interest and reading motivation contribute to reading comprehension achievement. This study is expected to provide both theoretical and practical significance. Theoretically, this study contribute to English language education research related to reading interest, reading motivation, and reading comprehension achievement. Practically, this study is expected to benefit students, teachers, and future researchers. Reading interest refers to students' tendency to participate in reading activities because of curiosity and enjoyment. Students with high reading interest usually spend more time reading and actively engage with text. In this study, reading interest was measured using the reading interest scale consisting of 24 items and 4 sub-scales. Reading motivation refers to student internal and external drive to engage in reading activities. Motivated students tend to persist when facing reading difficulties and actively use reading strategies. In the study, reading motivation was measured using the adapted motivation for reading questionnaire consisting of 24 items. Reading comprehension achievement refers to student ability to understand and interpret linguistic text effectively. The study measures students' reading comprehension using a 60-item multiple-choice reading test that assesses main ideas, supporting detailed vocabulary understanding and inference skill. The study consists of two independent variables and one dependent variable. The independent variable are reading interest and reading motivation, while the dependent variable is reading comprehension achievement. The study investigates the relationship among these variables. These are the hypotheses of this study. The null hypothesis states that there is no significant relationship between the variable, while the alternative hypothesis states that there is a significant relationship. The study used a quantitative method with a correlational design. The correlational design is used to determine that the relationship among variables through statistical analysis. This study was conducted at Junior High School 10 Palembang and Madrasah Sanawiyah 1 Palembang. The population consists of all grade 8 students from both schools, totally approximately 640 students from 18 class. The sample was selected using cluster random sampling. This study used three instruments to collect the data. The first instrument was the reading interest questionnaire consisting of 24 items. The second instrument was the reading motivation questionnaire consisting of 24 items. The third instrument was a reading comprehension test consisting of 60 multiple choice questions. To ensure The quality of the instrument, validity and reliability tests were conducted. The questionnaire had been validated in previous studies, while the reading comprehension test was validated through tryout and items analysis procedure. The data were collected in 3 sessions. First, student completed the reading interest questionnaire. Second, student completed the reading motivation questionnaire. And third, student completed the reading comprehension test. The data were analyzed using SPSS 27. First, descriptive statistics were conducted. Then, prerequisite tests including normality, linearity, and multicollinearity tests were performed. Finally, Pearson correlation and multiple regression analysis were conducted to test the hypothesis. In conclusion, reading comprehension achievement is influenced not only by cognitive factors but also affective factors such as reading interest and reading motivation. The study is expected to contribute to a better understanding of the relationship among these variables. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.